Hey guys! Update tayo sa Japan Visa, application ng visa dito sa Philippines. So we all know na starting from April 7, all visas application must be submitted through the Visa Center. So, yan nga. So, the Embassy of Japan, Philippines is pleased to announce the opening of Japan Visa Application Center or JVAC to accept and issue visa application. This is through the VFS Service Philippines. So, may internet site sila doon. Check nyo regularly kung may update doon. So all individual applications through the Japanese embassies, accredited agencies, will no longer be accepted starting April 6. So, hindi na sila tatanggap ng application starting April 6 sa mga accredited travel agencies. So, diretso na dito sa website na VFS. Yun, doon na tayo. So, yung mga accredited agencies will continue to handle visa applications only for package tour as PTAA or PIATA member travel agencies. So, yun. So, yung required na lang is mag-online booking tayo. So, medyo convenient daw kasi yun nga, online appointment booking na siya. So hindi na masyado pipila sa travel agency. Pero let's see kung ano. I'm very optimistic naman. Tingnan natin kung mas orderly yung pag-apply ng visa application doon sa VFS. Palipat-lipat yan. Doon sa VFS. Tapos, may mga branches sila, alam ko Makati, tsaka Quezon City. Pero check yung website nila. And I hope you can give me update ko ano yung mga na-experience ninyo. So, yun lang guys. See you again next time. Bye!